Right guys, so I'm going to show you how I built my lawnmower ramp. I did it for free. It took us about 20 minutes. And if you haven't got one of these already, you really need to get one. Right, so basically this is just made up of two old fence panels that I had lying around. They're thin, crucially. So basically when you slide it into your van, that's not taking up too much space. It just kind of slots in nicely. So the first cut you want to do is you want to make these connecting pieces. Now on here, 23 inches, so that's mine. So what I did is just basically measured between the sets of lawnmower wheels. That gives you your width, nice and simple. It's very crude. This, anyone can obviously build it really. So you need three of them, and that just basically connects the two. That's more or less all there is to it, but I do want to point out that when you screw these pieces together, there's a tiny bit of screw sticking out on mine, which I've left, and I probably shouldn't have done because my bumper's got a few, you can imagine, a few scratches and marks on it. So apart from that, it's really simple. It's lightweight. I've got a few cracks in it, and I've basically patched it up with some little metal plates, nice and easy. So if you haven't already got one, do it now because it really will save you back.